Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a deep look at SkyReels AI. I'll show you how to access the platform, explore its features, and explain whether it's worth using for your AI video projects. First, visit the official SkyReels AI website and click Sign Up. Create your account using your email or another available sign-in option. Once your account is ready, click Login to enter the dashboard. After logging in, you'll notice a clean and modern interface. The dashboard gives you access to several creation modes, including text to video, image to video, and Omni Reference, which lets you combine text, images, videos, and even audio references for greater creative control. One of SkyReels AI's biggest strengths is its SkyReels V4 model. Unlike many AI video tools that only generate silent clips, the V4 can create synchronized visuals and audio together, making videos feel much more natural. It also supports cinematic camera movement, multi-shot storytelling, and smoother scene transitions. During testing, the image to video feature stood out the most. Upload a single image, describe the motion you want, and SkyReels AI transforms it into a realistic animated scene with impressive consistency. If you're creating YouTube B-roll, product ads, or social media videos, this feature can save a lot of production time. Of course, it's not perfect. Complex prompts may require a few generations to achieve the desired result, and some advanced features are available only through premium access. However, the overall video quality and creative control are among the platform's strongest advantages. So, is SkyReels AI somewhat worth using? If you're a content creator, marketer, filmmaker, or anyone looking to create cinematic AI videos quickly, SkyReels AI is definitely worth trying. Its combination of text to video, image to video, multimodal references, and built-in audio generation makes it one of the most capable AI video platforms currently available. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials and reviews, and let me know which AI tool I should review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.